Once a man was told that sugarcane is very sweet in taste, and he was so curious. He went on the sugarcane search expedition. Interestingly, he found some trees resembling the sugarcane, some plants, and actually they were not sugarcane plants. They were not sugarcane sticks. They were actually bamboo sticks. And he started chewing the bamboo sticks. And his quest for the sweet sugarcane ended up with a bleeding mouth, tooth broken. So this is what is a situation of a person who doesn't know what is real happiness, how to find it. So you must have attended the session Search for Happiness, and you are wondering, is it wrong to seek happiness through senses? Is it wrong to seek happiness through the mind? Is it wrong to seek happiness intellectually? What's wrong to satisfy our ego? And we have elaborately discussed the acronym Paris Fly. And we also saw, actually, as human beings, we can access happiness on a higher platform. Spirituality is not against happiness on these 4 levels, but what it tells us is to discriminate between eternal happiness and temporary happiness. As human beings, we have the opportunity to experience bliss of the soul. Soul is eternal. God is eternal. Soul is part and parcel of God. And the love between the soul and God is what makes the soul eternally blissful. When we are not having that knowledge of real happiness of the soul, exchanging love with God, we end up trying to squeeze happiness through the bodily pleasures, and which makes us end like that destination, this person who was trying to find juice out of bamboo stick. That is miserable experience. So, what is bliss? Ananda. Just like Krishna, he through his all pastimes gave so much happiness to his devotees. In the same way, we all are actually his part and parcel, and we can engage in loving affairs with the God, and that is what is bliss, the eternal happiness. Let's not become like goats who are trying to chew the grass without knowing or being alert that this is just a temporary experience. Yes, I need to eat, but why should I not be alert? My fellow goat, my fellow friend beside me has been slaughtered. In the same way, the happiness that we are trying to experience on these 4 levels is very minute. We have to actually give a lot of effort to get a very tiny experience of joy, and that is also temporary. So there is nothing wrong in seeking enjoyment, but seek enjoyment on the right platform, on the platform of soul. Know yourself, know your identity, that you are not this body, you are something special, you are beyond the body. Know your origin, that you are the child of a very opulent Father, the Supreme God, Paramatma, Bhagwan himself. And revive your friendship, revive your relationship with God. That is where lies the true bliss of the soul. And this opportunity to experience the bliss is only possible in human form of life. So please, don't waste your valuable time and don't waste this rare human form of life. Thank you very much.